Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest and exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Thanks for tuning in to another edition of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. If you're a frequent viewer of the show, you've no doubt seen this vehicle. It's the Dauber Cruiser. Yes, it is a family vehicle. I use it every day, and I have two little kids, and I never have any time to maintain the appearance of this vehicle, as you can see. So I guarantee you we are faking nothing here. But to clean it up, I can get professional results, and there's an easy way to do it. And Dan, the Tornador is my key to success in cleaning up this vehicle. Tell me what it is and how it works.
Yeah, so Tornador is a professional line of detailing tools. It's a pneumatic air tool that works on all sorts of things: cars, SUVs, trucks, RVs, motorcycles, boats, pretty much anything with an interior and an exterior it'll work on.
And what kind of interior surfaces are we talking?
So fabric, carpet, headliners, seat belts, plastic, vinyl, even leather you can use it on with the right cleaner. And how it works is it's a patented technology this is the Classic. This was introduced in the early 2000s, almost 20 years. And how it works is it's a patented tornado vortex action in here. So this, when you hook it up and you push the trigger, it will shoot out a chemical through here and it'll start creating that tornado action. And it's going to put the chemical in and it's going to draw all that dirt and debris out of the fabric or the seat or the carpet or whatever you're working on. So all the dirt ends up going back into the cone, leaving you with a clean, dry surface within 10-15 minutes.
You sell the Classic and that works great, but there's a new and improved model. How's it different?
Yeah, so this is the Z020 Tornador Black. As you can see, this has the plastic weighted tube. As I mentioned before, this has a stainless steel ball bearing rotate set. So this is going to give you a little bit more power, and it's also going to give you more working hours. So if you needed to use this every day, you know, multiple cars a day, this would be the one to go with, because you'll run this way farther out with no repairs, no needing to get a new one or anything like that. So for the professional, everyday, multiple use, heavy duty use, that's going to be where this one comes into play. How
many professionals are using this, and what's their alternative to the Tornador?
It seems like almost everybody, you know, every dealership I visit, every detail shop typically has a Tornador in it. And, you know, the advantage to it is really the labor savings and the time savings and the efficiency. So instead of going in every nook and cranny with a brush and an extractor or a vacuum, you can get into it with this and really clean out those areas way quicker than you could by hand.
What do you find with folks that are picking up the Tornador compared to their old extractor?
Yeah, so the extractor still has a place in the industry. I'm not saying it doesn't. You know, I like to use it on carpet. On seats, it seems to oversaturate a little bit more, and you're trying to dry out that vehicle for hours before it's dry.
So how long does the Tornador take to dry?
So once you're done with this and you do it, you know, you put the chemical in, and you can also turn this to air and just shoot air in there so that it dries as well. So after you do that, within 10-15 minutes, your seats, your carpets, headliner, seat belts, those are all going to be dry.
All right, let's see how it works. You've already done the mixing here,
yep,
and the one we have in here. How does that part work?
Yeah, so you just take your 2-ounce bottle of the TC enzyme, put it into your jar, fill the rest up with water, and you're good to go.
No measuring, just dump it in.
Nope, exactly.
Perfect. All right, let's see how the Tornador works here. We're going to hook it up to the air. We've got air here. You can hook it up to your compressor at home. And what was the PSI on this that you need?
Anywhere between 78 and 90 is the sweet spot.
Okay, great.
All right, and then I'm going to turn this on to liquid, make sure that I have enough coming out, and then I will come in here and work on these two stains that are in here.
Sure hope this works. Oh my God. That is unbelievable.
So just with a couple passes there, I'm going to turn this now back to air, and I can dry this. And you can feel this too, it's really not that wet. And then, you know, even with, now I'll just take the air and dry it out even more.
Oh my gosh. That couldn't be easier. You get pro results in so little effort with that.
Exactly, exactly.
The drying is what fascinates me.
Yep, and the best part too is that since there's enzymes in here, they'll continue to work and continue to provide some odor refresher as well. And if you want to speed up your dry time, you can purchase a Velocity Vac and hook it up to your Tornador Black. And what that's going to do is allow you to vacuum the whole entire car. With that, it actually adds extra suction to it, to your wet dry vac, and you can use that on seats, carpets, you know.
Clean up debris, and you even get faster drying time.
Exactly, yes.
Looks like I have some work to do on the rest of the vehicle once we're done here. Super simple. You can check these guys out at tornador.us. You are going to love this thing, and trust me, it gets results. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, so do not touch that dial.